to shine. Please join me in welcoming the regent and empowering Ms. Tony Miranda.
So, good morning to all of you. I love your topic, and I'm seeing the excitement from all your faces that you are so ready. Federation. So we were like planning and planning already on what to do. Because not okay, you ready? Everyone's dancing. So before you even, one of the videos there are now helping me gain. Check lang. No, because it is vacancy. If you want, I can put back the three as inventory.
3 so far.
2 more minutes. Let's share the banner. Or how impossible, you are will equalize your take turns. Just remember the fun, but I had fun. No, I had fun. Yours. Agree? Relational excellence and ethical leadership. One, you like this? Better, right? So warmer. Just to burn those calories.
Really what happens for
Thank you for trusting me. I always say that our leaders will listen. Our health talaga. Okay. Representative sa tower. Who will be that accountability partner, or is it scary? I'm not ready to speak about courageous. Let's be brave.
They're thinking about it and making sure that that's part of their plan to digitize. And then I did mention to some.
And just try to go through it. Just try to do it. It's worth the try. And then it's a new year. Nice. So back then, it's not different industries. How about store a design for better, ganon? Kailan kayo ganon? At kung kasya yung tiyan natin, Charlie. O, i-share nyo naman sila. Sige na. Bend down, bend down. Yay! Yay! Woo! Okay, walang kinanin. Okay, thank you. Let's go for each other. Thank you. Let's now go back to the
Thank you, Sir Jan.
the company. So, governance within my team, I had shared
To also be brave to operate within uncertainty. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. It's not easy to speak. It's not easy to be courageous in front of you. But I'm doing it not because of my own strength, but because of Jesus. I prayed this morning, Lord, I claim success for this training because they will inspire. They are employing a lot of people, and may these leaders create positive impact to the Philippines. So thank you so much, everyone. This is Tony Miranda. God bless you.